Imagine a world ruled by giants. Towering trees scraped the sky. Massive animals roamed the land. This was not a fantasy world. This was Earth millions of years ago, home to incredible megaflora and megafauna. Megaflora means giant plants. These weren't just big trees. They were giants compared to modern plants. Megafauna means giant animals. Think elephants and whales, but even bigger. These giants played vital roles in their ecosystems. They shaped landscapes, influenced climates, and were part of complex food webs. Their story is a testament to life's ability to grow to incredible sizes. Understanding these giants helps us understand Earth's history. Their rise and fall tell a story of changing environments and the power of natural forces. During the Carboniferous period, about 300 million years ago, the world was a giant fern forest. Trees like lepidodendron, also known as the scale tree, towered over 100 feet tall. Their trunks were covered in scale-like patterns, marking where leaves once grew. Another giant was calamites, a relative of modern horsetails. These plants looked like giant bamboo, with some species reaching over 60 feet tall. Their trunks were hollow and segmented, giving them flexibility in the wind. These giant plants thrived in the warm, humid climate of the Carboniferous. They formed vast swamp forests that covered much of the Earth. Their remains eventually became the coal that we use for fuel today. The Carboniferous was a unique time in Earth's history. The high oxygen levels allowed insects and other creatures to grow to enormous sizes as well. Giant dragonflies with wingspans of several feet flew among the giant plants. The age of megafauna continued long after the Carboniferous. During the Pleistocene epoch, which began about 2.6 million years ago, mammals ruled the Earth. This was the time of the mammoths and mastodons, distant relatives of elephants. These woolly giants roamed the northern continents, their thick fur protecting them from the cold. They shared their world with other incredible creatures like the saber-toothed cats, fearsome predators with teeth up to 11 inches long. In South America, giant ground sloths lumbered through the forests. These enormous herbivores could reach heights of over 13 feet when standing on their hind legs. They were so big that their fossilized footprints have been mistaken for those of dinosaurs. These megafauna played crucial roles in their ecosystems. They grazed on vegetation, dispersed seeds, and their dung fertilized the soil. Their presence shaped the landscapes and influenced the evolution of other species. Section 4. The Fall of the Titans. Sadly, most of these magnificent creatures are now extinct. Their disappearance marked the end of an era. Several factors contributed to their demise, including climate change and the arrival of humans. The end of the last ice age, about 12,000 years ago, brought dramatic climate shifts. Many megafauna were adapted to cold climates and could not cope with the warming temperatures. Their habitats shrank and their food sources became scarce. The arrival of humans, with their hunting skills and ability to alter the environment, also played a role. Overhunting and habitat destruction put further pressure on already vulnerable populations. The extinction of these giants had a ripple effect on their ecosystems. The loss of megaherbivores, for example, affected plant diversity and nutrient cycling. Their disappearance left a void that continues to shape the world we live in today. Section 5. Living Giants and Ancient Echoes. While many megafauna are gone, their legacy lives on. Their fossils provide us with a glimpse into the past, reminding us of the incredible diversity that once existed. By studying their remains, we can learn about their biology, behavior, and the environments they inhabited. Some of their descendants still roam the Earth, albeit in smaller forms. Elephants are the closest living relatives of mammoths, and their size and social structure offer clues about their extinct ancestors. The extinction of megafauna teaches us about the interconnectedness of life and the importance of conservation. It serves as a cautionary tale about the impact of human activities on the planet. By understanding the past, we can make more informed decisions about protecting the biodiversity of the present and the future.